Hey, welcome to another Easy Computer Fixes video. This one will explain a little feature that's kind of misunderstood on a lot of iPhones. Apple decided to add a very cool feature, and it's, I believe, a feature that's new into iOS 6. And what's cool in the new feature of iOS 6 is what's called Do Not Disturb. So, you have your iPhone with you and you're thinking, okay, I'm going to see a movie, for example, or I'm going into a meeting with some people. I don't want my phone to ring, but I don't necessarily want to turn it off, because you can turn it off. That's one way of course, avoiding any rings and any problems. But there's a cool little feature in your iPhone that prevents you, that you don't have to turn it off. So if you, for example, need to check your mail or stuff like that, at a meeting, for example, you don't want it to ring, but you might have to sometimes check your mail, stuff like that. So what you'll do is you'll go into settings, and you'll see that in the settings you'll have a do not disturb mode. And if you look at do not disturb, you can put it on or off. So if you put it on, you see that next to the settings at the top, next to the settings at the top, next to the clock, you have a little crescent moon that shows up, and that means that your phone now cannot ring and cannot react to any incoming text messages, will not do any sounds or whatever, and basically it will stay quiet. So if you're at a meeting, for example, there's always that annoying guy in the meeting that never turns off his phone, and that it rings right in the middle, and everybody's a little annoyed and thinking, what that, So, this is a cool mode to know about, because you can turn it off, and you can use it if you're going to a movie. You can use the Do Not Disturb to also keep your phone quiet. But in a movie, I would kind of, push more towards the turn it off, because you don't want to check your email in a movie. If you're in a movie, come on, you're at a movie. Watch the movie and just, get out of that little world of yours that you're using your phone for a few hours. But mostly at meetings, or if you're at, for example, I'm the tech guy here, I go at clients' houses. I don't necessarily want my phone to ring all the time when I'm, especially when I'm giving out some lessons to clients about how using their computers. One of probably the most annoying thing can happen is my phone to ring. So Do Not Disturb is a cool little way of keeping it quiet, and once it's over, you just turn it off and everything comes back to normal, and you see that little crescent moon that disappeared at the top next to the clock. It tells me that, of course, it's back to normal. So Do Not Disturb, remember where it is in the settings. Cool little feature to keep your phone quiet in the event that you're somewhere and that you need to help, maybe at a meeting, or help some other people, and you don't want your phone to ring or display, don't want your phone to actually react to anything, even texts, messages. It's just going to keep quiet. So if you enjoy these videos, hope you click on the subscribe button, Easy Computer Fixes. This is a multiple channel for all sorts of, for Mac, for PC, for iOS, for Android. All of those are covered in here, so it's a mix of different videos, but that can be helpful to anyone that's using these devices. So hope you enjoy, thanks for watching, and hope you come back to the Easy Computer Fixes channel. Bye-bye.